In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on X. So the first thing you need to do if you haven't already, go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you want to do a search for X. So go to the search bar, search for X, and you should see it here, X, formerly Twitter. If you haven't already, just go ahead and download this app. Once you've downloaded it, open it, then click on the profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Then you can choose here, create an account. So go ahead and click on that. And it will then ask you to create an account, either with your Google email, Apple, or you can create an account with an additional method. So I'm going to click create an account, then I can enter in a name, a phone number or email address, and date of birth. So I'm going to enter in my name here. We'll just type in here WebTeach. Then I'm going to enter in my email address and real quick fill out the date of birth section. So we can select our date of birth here. Mine is the 14th of March, 1998. Then click next, and X are going to ask you to customize your experience, so you can choose to turn these on. This is going to give you recommendations and emails about X, the first one. The second one is going to connect you with people you know. If you want to stay anonymous, I would recommend you keep this one turned off. Then click next, and click on sign up. Then they're going to go ahead and send you a verification code to your email. Once you've got that code, you just want to type it in, and then click next. Now you're going to need to enter in a password, so go ahead and enter in a secure password here. Now you can choose a profile picture. Now alternatively you can skip this, but I'm just going to choose one here. So I've just chosen a profile picture here of Bangkok. We're going to click apply and done. Then we can go next, and now you can choose your username. So I'm going to try and type here WebTeach, and it's important to know your username can only be 15 characters. So we'll try WebTeach how to. Click next. Then continue, and then you can either allow or don't allow contacts. And there you go, it's going to recommend some people. I'm just going to click next. And now you're going to have to tell X 3 things that you're interested in. So I'm interested in entertainment, gaming, and music. Then click next again. And now select some more sub-niches. So we'll do video games, Call of Duty, and we'll do here Premier League. Click next. Follow one or more of these accounts. So we'll follow Elon Musk, then click next. And there we go, we're now inside Twitter. Here is our custom Twitter feed. We can now start to follow people. So I hope that video did help you out.